NAKA stock analysis, massive update for Monday and onwards. Am I buying? The question is this, am I buying now? I'll be breaking this down in this quick and short 1 minute video. Now, big key here is that all I'm going to be sticking to is my strategy that I've already refined over 45,000 videos over 5 years. You know, it's taken me tens of thousands of dollars investing in courses and mentors, and especially with NAKA. I mentioned that if I saw a double break shift, I was looking to take it further lower. I'm still sticking to that exact idea, right? I'm yet to see the first freaking break happening, because again, it's really tough to kind of, okay, yeah, I saw the first break, sure, but more like than I just want to see something like this happening, and then I'll be fine to take a sell. Because like right here, even though like if we could see this like lower time frame shift, this is just my discretion working, just experience, I wouldn't be selling it whatsoever. You know, pre-market, yes, it's a bit lower, but must give me a little bit more of a bearishness in order for me to continue with this sell side. It's not an immediate sell side, let's put it this way. So I do have some previous receipts, I believe, in the Discord with 2 receipts. And if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.